Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson from MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina, and this is our 2020 Bennington swingback with a Mercury 250 on it. This boat's amazing. It has the Simtech silver material with the movable cup holders. It's got the nice wide base seats to sit on. It's got the flip down armrests on both sides here for your nice comfort. Pillow topped seating. It's got the nice diamond stitched accent in the graphite color. It's got the wonderful big oversized captain's chair, the nice bench seating here at the table. Then this is really cool. It's called the swingback, so it flips here. You can sit inside the boat, control the stereos from back here, come around here, flip this back, and it's got the nice flip back seating from over here, and big sun pad. This is all storage under here, control the stereo. It's got the nice 10-foot bimini. This boat's great. So 23-foot boat, great for cruising, tri-tune with that 250 on it, plenty of horsepower. You know, the Mercury digital throttle. It's got the Simrad screen here for GPS. All your diagnostics and controls are on there. It's got the lighting package, Rockford Fosgate sound system. This boat also has the blackout package, which means all the bimini rails and the railing of the boats and the trim are all done in black. Just gives it a really cool feature. So come on, check out this boat at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Check us out at the website at MarineMaxGreenville.com. Give us a call at 864-236-9005. Thank you.